Good morning, student. You are studying our science of standard 7. And see, today I am going to teach you about application of radiation of heat. You know, cloudy, cloudy nights are warmer, than clear night. When skies are covered with cloud, then the nights are warmer. Because cloud absorb the radiation emitted by the earth surface and reflect them back to the earth, thus increasing the temperature of the earth. So we feel warmer in cloudy night than clear night. Second, light colored clouds are suitable in summer, while dark colored clouds are more appropriate in winter. This is because, light colored clouds absorb less radiation, where dark colored clouds absorb much more radiation, more heat, and prevent our body heat to escape out in winter, and hence they are suitable in winter. Third, the back surface of room heater are polished because the polished surface of room heater radiates better or emits more heat. Fourth, radiators in car and other automobiles are painted black for maximum radiation, so the engine remain cool. Fifth, the base of cooking utensil, you will see, painted black. Tell me why? Because that, that are maximum radiation and that absorb more heat than that of others. So these color with black color, painted with black color. Difference between conduction, convection and radiation. This is topic. First, you can make this in your note copy. Make 4 columns, serial number, conduction, convection and radiation. Number 1, conduction required medium, whereas convection also require medium, but radiation does not require medium. Okay. Second, particles of material do not change their position. In conduction, particles of material does not change their position, where in convection heat is transferred by the movement of particle move one place to another place. By that, heat transfer one place to another place. And in radiation, no rules of the particles of the medium, they can go anywhere. Third, conduction is slow process, where convection is slow process, but radiation is fast process. Fourth, medium is heated, where and in convection also medium is heated, but in radiation medium is not heated. Fifth, conduction take place in solids, where convection take place in liquid and gases, and radiation, it take place through transparent medium. Okay. Thermos flask. What is thermos flask? Thermos flask is the practical use of the knowledge of thermal conduction, convection, and radiation. Thermal flasks keep hot liquid hot and cold liquid cold for quite a long time. You will heard about thermos. It is double-walled bottle. You can see thermos in picture. It is double-walled bottle of thin glass, and you know the space between the wall is evacuated. The absence of a medium between both the walls reduce the loss of heat due to conduction and convection. The mouth of bottle is closed by a cork or plastic stopper. The bottle is enclosed in plastic case. The stopper and the plastic case, are the bad conductor of heat. The outer surface of the thinner wall and the inner surface, of the inner wall and the inner surface of the outer wall are, silverized or silvered. This reflect, when we silvered it, this reflect heat back, and loss due to conduction, convection and radiation is very little in this thermos flask. So today I taught you about application of convection, conduction and radiation, and about thermos flask. You will write all question answers of this lesson in your note copy. You will try to write. If you will unable to write answer of any question, you can ask. Okay.